Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Audi A5, 2010 to 2016? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Instrument panel fuse boxes. The 2010 to 2011 Audi A5 instrument panel driver's side fuse box features a compact, well-arranged layout that manages key interior circuits such as dashboard electronics, lighting, and comfort functions. The 2010 to 2011 Audi A5 instrument panel right cockpit fuse box features a compact, neatly arranged fuse block that supports interior functions such as infotainment, climate controls, and convenience systems. The 2013 to 2016 Audi A5 instrument panel driver's side fuse box features a well-organized layout that manages essential cabin systems including lighting, infotainment, and control modules. The 2013 to 2016 Audi A5 instrument panel right cockpit fuse box features a compact and efficiently arranged fuse block dedicated to supporting interior electronics. Luggage compartment fuse boxes. The 2010 and 2011 Audi A5 luggage compartment fuse box features a neatly organized fuse block that manages rear-end electrical systems such as tail lights, parking sensors, and convenience electronics. The 2013 to 2016 Audi A5 luggage compartment fuse box features a compact, well-arranged fuse block that controls rear electrical systems like lighting, parking sensors, and convenience electronics. Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.